In this video, I am going to tell you how you can make a PPT in just 10 seconds. So just go to Gamma app and click enter. And here, sorry, create new. So click here on generate. Then let's say I want to make a presentation. I am choosing the topic randomly. So let's make a presentation on 100 days of coding challenge. Give its advantage in the hurdles in it. So I'm just making a sample PPT. So here you can see that it will generate the pointers. You can also edit these pointers like that, like build a COVID, build a good habit. And now you can click on continue. So here you can choose the title and theme. So I'm just going to generate. Now just see the magic how it will create the presentation. So just delete it, and from Canva it will show you the watermark, but go to the Canva and erase it. So I'm going to present it to you. So as you can see guys, it's AI generated PPT. So just save your time by using these type of tools. So that's it from my side.